Daddy, I tried to make a rocket, but I'm feeling sad. I'm not confident it looks good.
It's okay to feel that way, champ. Everyone feels not confident sometimes. Don't worry, champ. Sometimes we all need a little help believing in ourselves.
Dada, you came!
My favorite doodle, buddy! I heard you're not confident about your rocket. Today we'll learn how to respect everyone, help others, and believe in yourself. Let's play Respect Circle. We show respect to everyone, big or small. Hello, little friend. Would you like help with your ball?
Hi, can I play with you? Good morning, Auntie. Do you need help?
Oh, thank you, dear. I'm fine.
Now let's do the helping chain. Helping others feels wonderful.
Dada, he needs help. Helping others feels so good, Dada.
Let's keep the helping chain going. Let's keep the helping chain going.
But Dada, I still don't feel confident about my rocket.
Believing in yourself is the most important part, Zavi. Let's draw your rocket together step by step. First, the body of the rocket. Now the wings. Now the flames and stars. You're doing great.
I think I can do it.
Say it louder. I can do it.
I can do it! I can do it! I can do it!
Look at that amazing rocket, son! You did it because you believed in yourself. Now let's do something brave. Show your rocket to that boy we helped.
Hey friend, I drew this rocket. Do you like it?
See? When you believe in yourself, wonderful things happen.
Dada, I feel much better now. I believe in myself.
Remember, Zavi, show respect to everyone, help others when you can, and always believe in yourself.
You can do anything if you believe in yourself.
We're so proud of you, Zavi.
See you next time on Zavi Daddy Doodles.
Like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, what will you believe in yourself about today?